Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make simple LED dimmer circuit using potentiometer, or you can call variable resistor. So this circuit is very simple. So you need a 10K variable resistor to adjust the voltage. So you need a 220 ohm resistor to protect from overcurrent for LED, and middle pin of the potentiometer, you have to join the positive leg of the LED and take a 220 ohm resistor to protect from over current, and this helps to protect from over voltage. Let's join the right side of the potentiometer leg through the negative pin of the LED. Follow the instruction. This is very simple and easy to build. Left side of the potentiometer, you have to join the 5 volt VCC. Okay, right side of the potentiometer, you have to join the negative power supply of 5 volt. So guys, if you like my video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting video like this. So you can see I can adjust the brightness of LED very easily.